Hello guys, welcome to my market vlog. Let's see what market did on 8th of October 2020. So first news of the day. So news of the day was TCS. TCS reported its number and the number was fantastic. And above the number there was a commentary where the TCS chief have said that IT industries is entering in multi-year technology transformation business. So what it did is that present is great and future is also great. So it really charged up IT stocks which were already charged from last few months at least. Let's check the index. So Nifty, it's a kind of a doji created by Nifty on the daily chart. Bears can say that the Nifty could not hold the gains, but I think bull should be happy because the Nifty closed above its previous high and it might take support here and then move above, but it's a very positive close for the Nifty. For the Bank Nifty is reaching out its 200 day moving average, which is around 23,800 right now. And you can see last time Bank Nifty fell from 200 day moving average. So let's see what happened when this time Bank Nifty reaches its 200 day moving average. But one thing is sure that Nifty is going to its 200 day moving average in 1 to 2 days. Let's see the Nifty gainer and losers. So for Nifty gainer loser, we can see, so it was a IT plus Pharma day. So you can see Wipro, Infi, SCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, and I think that's all. That's all the list of the IT companies gainers. Then we have a Pharma, Cipla, Divi, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy. Now let's see the losers. So we have a GAIL, ONGC, ITC, Asher Motors, L&T. There's no a definite pattern, but you can see the PSUs companies are just beaten down. Let's check the FNO loser and gainer, and the list would be same: IT plus Pharma. So we have a Cadila, Cipla, Biocon, Apollo Hospital, Coforge, TCS. So IT plus Pharma. These two are the strongest sector right now in Indian market, and they have took the leadership and they are leading this bull charge. Now we can check the index of the day. So for me, the index of the day would be IT, of course, hitting 52-week high. There's a profit booking in the IT stocks after this large run. So you can see the stock fell from the high, but it's still a very good chart and very good index, and powerful moves are happening in IT index. And for the Pharma, you can see the large green candle it created. And if you see the chart, this 5-minute chart, so you can see it started around 230. So it started around 230 and it really make a large move after that, and that is reflecting in the list of the FNO gainers also: Cadila, Cipla, Biocon. Now we can check for the 52-week high and low. It's very important. I always check it. It gives me idea what's moving on. So RT, Advanced Enzyme. So these are present from the many days. Ambuja Cement stocks are also doing very good because there are various positive news flow from the brokerages. Then Apollo Hospital, Berger Paints company doing, Biocon doing very great, Cadila doing great. So the stocks which are in hit 52 weeks high are considered as stocks in momentum, and they tends to do good in the future also. So you can see Hero Motocom, Infibeam. So Infibeam, you can say it closed at 86, but high was 94. And then we have Infosys, JFW Steel, L&T, Turbo Infotech. So all IT companies are hitting 52-week high. And then we have a few API companies like Solara and Newland. Then we have TCS, Tech Mahindra, Thyrocare, continued, and Wipro. So all IT and pharma companies are fitting 52-week high. CAMS, the IPO, you can see the Camcon, Specialty Chemical, the both are losing the money. So they have kind of flopped on the market. Last thing we can check is the chart of the day. For me, the chart of day is HDFC Bank. So you can see IT moved very well today. Wipro was up 8%, but still I choose HDFC Bank as a chart of the day. The reason is the strength. This is how the leader behaves. You can see that HDFC is the only bank with 200-day moving average. All other bank stocks are below 200-day moving average, which shows the strength. So I want to show you all the bank charts. So you can see it's about 200-day moving average. If we go for the daily view, you can see it's about 200-day moving average. Now check ICICI Bank below, Kotak Bank below, Axis Bank below, SBI Bank way below, IndusLand Bank below, IDFC First Bank, it's above. So we can just, it's a small bank, so we can ignore it. So you can see only HDFC Bank is a stock which is trading above its 200-day moving average. So this, for me, this was the stock of the day, chart of the day. This stock is going way higher and higher, and I believe the result which HDFC is going to announce would be also great. So I think that's all for the action of the day for today. Thank you very much for spending your time on watching it. Please like, share and subscribe if you like it. Thank you very much.